We begin with some surprises. A surprising decision from the Federal Reserve is driving Wall Street to record highs. It is also creating new concern because the Fed chairman says, quote, "We have been over-optimistic about the economic recovery."
And yet the Dow Jones Industrials picked up 147 points yesterday. The S&P index gained nearly 21. Stocks jumped after the Fed announced it will continue an $85 billion a month program to stimulate the economy.
Anthony Mason with us. Anthony, good morning. So what is going on?
Well, I think, Wall Street seemed pretty shocked by this, that the Fed didn't start pulling back. But I don't think they read the tea leaves right. The Fed chairman's been clear since the summer that they want to start pulling back, but they're not going to do it until the numbers say they can. And the fact is, the economy started out quite strong the first half of the year. If you look at the unemployment, the jobs number, we had about 200,000 jobs added a month for the first half of the year. Suddenly that dropped to about 150,000. Now, that's like a passing grade. It's a C plus. You're not going to get kicked out of school for that, but it's not a number you want to take home to your mom, And the Fed looked at this and said, you know what? Things are weakening again.
So they actually lowered growth estimates for this year. So why did stocks soar?
Because the market likes the fact the Fed is supporting the economy. Okay, that's why stocks soared. But and the other thing here is the Fed has not been very good at predicting job growth for the last couple of years. They don't have a great record at it. So if you look at their number, yes, they dropped it a little bit, but they don't have a great record here.
The Fed chairman seemed to suggest that long-term interest rates were going up, and that worried him.
Yeah, what happened was when the Fed telegraphed in the summer that they wanted to start pulling back, that started interest rates going up again, mortgage rates as well. And the Fed said that was a problem for the economy that they were concerned about. The other big problem here that you're going to be talking about today is this looming debate about the debt ceiling that's coming up in Washington that could effectively freeze the economy again.
What do you think it means for the average investor?
Well, for the average investor, I think as you saw, the reaction was strong, and the market has been very strong for the last year, in part because of the Fed's support. So near term, it's good.
All right. Anthony Mason, good to see you.